Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Halimatul Sadiah. I want to retell my journal Customer Relationship Management to Customer Product Quality and Service in Improving Customer Comfort. The purpose of this study was to determine the effect of customer relationship management on customer value, product quality, service quality. This serves on corporate banking. Customers are used as a sample. This study used primary data source using customary and secondary data source from several sources that have been published. Introduct is a people, process, and technology strategy that enhances profitable relationship with customer and partner. CRM refers to all business activity that are direct at maintaining, building, and developing successful long-term relationship exchange is the overall process of building and maintaining healthy, profitable customer relationship and use satisfaction is part of an interactive process that assures the optimal balance between the company's investment and satisfaction of customer needs in order to generate maximum profit. The customer recommended reference for evaluation of product attribute, performance, and consequences arising from use that facilitators or either the advancement of the customer goal and objective in the user situation. The use of the product is carried out optimally so that consumer fully satisfies the satisfaction felt by consumer has behavioral consequences as will as consumer expenses or rejection of the hypothesis based of the sequences flow generated by Coachplot. I will be expert if it extends to limit of otherwise if it is smaller than the limit. Is low hypothesis testing in this study so the effect of the variable is the study. The hypothesis is accompanied with a Higgs value, namely customer satisfaction, which affect customer loyalty with a standard execution wake value of W88. The second Higgs value is the customer relationship management variable that's face product quality with a wake value of W52. In condition of intense competition, company must create a competitive advantage, especially in retaining consumer. Customer relation management is a business strategy that combines process, people, and technology. Customer relationship in business is basically a method applied by their company in maintaining relationship with customer. The main goal is to improve the customer experience while translating with them and ensure customer satisfaction or loyalty. How to connect with the best customer? Number one, personally customer. Number two, improve trust. Number five, using a customer system. Number four, reducing things that are counterproductive. There are 5 process for strategy development are: number 1, performance appraisal; number 2, value creation; number 3, information management; number 4, multi-causal integration; number 5, a development process. Strategy metric. There are strategy metric approach as shown below, which consider the suitability of the type of customer relationship now and in the future based on the complexity of customer information and the level of integration of customer relationship. The vertical sort of the framework in the figure below show the components of customer information. Implementation model, a model of implementation that integrate their key dimension, namely people, process, and technology, in the context of a single customer, integrating technology and cross-functional organization. The banking industry. The basis for developing practice is built to plan strategy. Bank need to introduce customer-centric contact and build standard operating product. But when various chance to process and interact customer data customer flow. There are 4 terms about flow. Number 1, flow is the quality you get for the price you pay. Number 2, flow is getting what you want from a product or service. Number 3, flow is low price. Number 4, flow is all that is cared for, all these comforts that have been given. People, process in technology, simulations, fact, customer relationship management, and if customer relationship in the industry, banking, has worked well, it will lead to customer satisfaction and customer loyalty. Value is the customer perception of the balance between the benefit, refresh, and the sacrifice made to obtain this benefit. Service to performance action performance for the customer. This study used primary data source using quaternary and secondary data source from several sources that have been published. Customer relationship by intervention by customer value, product quality, and customer satisfaction. Keyword, customer relationship management, product quality, service quality, customer satisfaction. Number 2, introduction. CRM is a people, process, and technology strategy that enhances portable relationship with customer and partner. CRM is the overall process of building and maintaining healthy, profitable customer relationship and user satisfaction. Customer value is the value that the customer can really bring to the company from the point of view of the customer company. The customer highly remain reference for evaluation of product attributes, performance, and consequences arising from use that facilitate or hits the achievement of the customer goal and objective in the user situation. The use of the product is carried out optimally so that consumer feel very satisfied. The satisfaction felt by consumers has behavioral consequences as well as consumer. Research method. The method used is the independent variable customer relationship management. Prove internet banking service to customer for faster and softer access and other services such as the ability to transfer money easily between account and other banking service. For formulation of the problem. Number 1, how to develop a model of customer relation management that can be applied to the banking service industry. Number 2, of to the development of the study of concept and definition as well as the dimension of customer relation management, or the extent to which the organization can use further information is available about the customer. Of intense competition, the company should be able to create competitive advantage, especially in the fighting consumer. One of the ways that can be done in order to maintain consumer is making consumer feel satisfied. Consumer satisfaction obtained through the fulfillment of the needs and desire of consumer. The implication will be different from this research is essentially filmed as a source of customer benefit from the company, so that the customer will be better cared for and give comfort. Case of transaction, new customer get more difficult than retaining an existing customer. Customer satisfaction with standardized regression wake flow is W35. Meanwhile, customer value is effect to customer satisfaction with standardized regression wake value is W12 less than compared with standardized regression wake value all variable. Standard regression wake value is W52 with standard regression wake value is W47. The fifth Hacker value is customer relationship management. Is effect to service quality. Figure 2 show a path Ennius diagram which illustrates the results of hypothesis experimented in this study. The figures in the diagram show the regression conference, which show the involucration way. We saw the involucration within the variable in the ratio. Hypothesis is a state with high value is customer satisfaction is effect to customer loyalty with standard regression. Weak value is the second value is customer measurement is affect to product quality. Um, the overall process of building and maintaining healthy profitable customer relationship and user satisfaction. CRM is part of an interactive process that achieves the optimal balance between the company investment and satisfaction of customer net in order to generate profit. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.